now that you are where you are in the affiliate marketing world, like, what's the biggest mistake that you see people trying to do when they start to do affiliate marketing? Are they all trying to throw money at the issue? Are they all trying to promote wrong? Are they not getting a list? Like, what's the biggest issue that you see?
I think they're not setting up their business, and you need a system in place before you send traffic to anything, and not just as an affiliate, right? Like, that's true for everything. You need more than just like, hey, I've got a product, I'm going to throw some traffic towards it, right? Which is what not only affiliates do, but like most like small business owners do the same thing, right? Like, I'm selling this and I'm going to just run some ads to it because I've got a product. But you need a system. You don't need a product. You need a system, right? A system of multiple products and a system of multiple channels and avenues of reaching audiences and stuff. And so what I see is most people not setting up a funnel. They're setting up like single pages. They're not setting up email automation. They're not setting up retargeting. They're starting on the front end and sending traffic instead of starting on the back end and saying, okay, I'm gonna get a few products, 5 to 10 products that I want to promote. And that's the same in the non-affiliate marketing world, right? It's called a value ladder, right? I'm going to get some products I'm going to promote, and then I'm going to create this some version of a funnel where I can capture lead information and then send them on to start selling them. And then I'm going to create an email automation that increases my profits. And once that's in place, once that backend's in place, then you can go over and say, okay, now I'm going to start throwing as much traffic as possible because I've got my system in place, and I don't have to focus on that anymore. I can just focus on traffic and know that, like, hey, every bit of traffic that I get, I've set up everything to really maximize how much money can be made off that traffic. Now, solo ads, you might have not made much money anyway, but that is the biggest problem I see in all affiliates right now.
No, that makes sense, because I built it out, and I built a list, like a Seinfeld list that I could email, once a day, and I could do that. But I had like a slightly automated sequence for that launch. I didn't have anything after that. Like, I didn't know what I was going to do with that. Like, I've built lists. I'm pretty sure I built like a full list of maybe 10,000 people, which doesn't sound huge. Like, this is for my personal business. Like, clients is totally different, right? When you go to my personal business, like, I just haven't built that big of a list. I built a big list, but because of like the fact that I don't email people often, like, email is dead when it comes into my hands. It's not that email's dead. I suck at email.
That's so funny.
And so, like, I have 1,000 people left who kind of listen.
That's so funny, because now that you're saying that, it's reminding me that was my first mistake that I made as an affiliate too. I created a YouTube channel that I got lucky and like a couple of videos exploded, and I quickly threw in like a random little like thing that pops up, in the YouTube video. It's like, hey, download this random thing. And then I didn't have anything in place, and I have a list, so that's still sitting there. The channel's still bringing in traffic. My list is like 2,000 people sitting in a MailChimp list, and they've never once received a single email from me because I didn't have it done ahead of time. And like you said, I got too much going on, and maybe I'm just too lazy. I don't know. But to sit there and send them emails every 2 days or whatever, like, I'm just not good at that. Where if I had sat down for like one day and built out a 10 or 15 email sequence that sold them stuff, that's probably at least a couple $1,000s, a month's worth of income that could have gone in just by me building that one day sequence.